Hello students, welcome in learning space. We will prepare Maharashtra State Board SSC Science Part 2 Chapter 5th, that is towards green energy in this session. Myself Ravikant Dapke, working as a science and mathematics teacher for last 21 years to the board students. Now let us start today's session. In this video we will cover electrical energy generation using wind energy. Mankind is using wind energy since from a long time. What are the uses that we keep in mind traditionally are lifting of water and to drive flour mills. The wind energy also can be used as electricity production, and we can say that it is a non-conventional modern use. Here the concept comes wind turbine. It is nothing but a machine which converts kinetic energy of wind to the electrical energy. As the wind strikes the blades of turbine, the blade rotate. The axle of turbine is connected to the gearbox, and main function of this gearbox is to increase the rotations per unit time. The function of gearbox is the same as that in vehicles. Thus, rotating blades drive the turbine, and turbine in turn drives the generator, which generates electricity. Various stages in wind generation system can be shown as in your textbook figure number 5.19. I will suggest you keep the textbook, notebook, pen, pencil and necessary items while watching this video. In figure 5.19, stages in electric generator using wind energy are shown. They are very much same simple steps. I will not repeat it and draw it. I will try to explain the concept basically. Wind turbines with a capacity right from less than 1 kilowatt to about 7 megawatt are available in the market today. Depending on the velocity of the wind, the site of installation of such power mills can be decided. The wind velocity at specific location depends on various geographical factors. Wind velocity is usually large in seashores, and environment is appropriate for installation of such wind turbines there. Wind energy is a clean energy source. It is obvious that no fuel is used and no pollution is there. In that sense, it is limited source, eco-friendly source. In some next video, we will try how electric energy is produced by using solar energy, and if time permits, I will summarize this lecture with the help of memory diagram so that you can do it in your exam as far as best. And now we will summarize it. We will move towards memory mark towards green energy chapter, SSC State Board Part 2nd Science. This is power or electricity generation by the use of wind energy. Wind is nothing but a kinetic energy. What are the uses of this wind? It means in scientific words we can say the mankind drive flour mills from very long time, from ancient times where there was no flour mills, electrically run. Lifting of water is also use of kinetic energy, and nowadays in modern age electric generation is obtained from this wind energy. How this wind is converted into electrical energy is done by a machine. That machine is nothing but wind turbine. So we can define the machine which converts kinetic energy of wind into electrical generation is called as a wind turbine. You can easily memorize the definition. What does it contain? Main part, wind turbine has an axle as it is in vehicles, and this with the help of this axle, electric generator gearbox is attached there, and this electric generator box what creates rotations per unit times are increased. What is capacity of the power generation plant is less than 1 kilowatt to 7 megawatt. How this 7000 kilowatt is here? For that you must memorize this conversion relation. 1 megawatt equal to 1000 kilowatt. It means if we multiplied this left side, it will become 7 megawatt, and if we multiply by 7 to the right side, it will become 7000 kilowatt. Just you have to remember 1 megawatt equal to 1000 kilowatt. This equation is not given in your textbook, and many students confuse how this 7000 kilowatt comes here. Now we will proceed where the power generation plant is installed. The proper place for the installing of power plant is depending upon the velocity of air, and velocity of air is higher at seashores. Velocity of air depends on many geographical factors like height of place, installation place we will say rather, temperature and humidity. But these factors can't be controlled by us, and so I have written we cannot control these factors, means there is a limitation for human. Actually in life human has number of limitations, but himself he thinks that he is the most clever on the earth. Students, you might have cleared one thing or noticed one thing, that benefits of this power generation by wind energy is no use of fuel, and so there is no pollution, and in that sense we can say that it is eco-friendly source of electricity nowadays. I think I have explained the whole of power electricity generation by using wind energy. If you like this video, share it with your relatives, parents, teachers, and subscribe it. We will meet soon to prepare science part 2 of the state board soon. Bye students.